of God. And then the upright, then upwards, I was sowing a seed. Yes. Your life will never be the same. Lento ipambana nasemhlajeni ngoba lishayiko maye ngapha ngoba shayiko maya bona yabona ngikufuna nathi sithi masabelena ngapha bae sithi wahamba nathi wahamba nathi Alfinanko iti wahamba Savana bu. Sizler da siz vakasyon ne habanat. Naiko si habanat. Siz inşallah nagan apa bi başay ko maya. Venerat ma veneratcha. Yes, I am obedient, Pastor Regosi, I'm Frutan Satilangane, I'm obedient, what did I make Allah? Now I am a servant, I'm serving to serious. I'm telling you now, I'm going to have your future again for now. I'm telling you, I'm saying she wouldn't have a Sabbath. I was very serious. And my servant came out with Alabama, although it was just one day, but not 7 years. Put Alabama in the over the 70 small Lord, I'm from 370. Nothing great sin in a shaykhan and a shaykh here and a shaykh ship. Not another later. Send Papa to put the routine normal. I must put it on 70 hours of anointing oil in the Lord. Imagine the whole day I was anointed. You're giving a young lady up from a parrot. You're going to have 70 people sent up. Spending about to Matatum Shone, Bakama, and Bakalene, and Tabasalo. Tell them for my mother, a time that I'm outside for an airful. Comenzega out team Shone, and what we have team chairs. What do you ngabusayishika manje ngabusayiphavi imoto ngabusawuphava nomuzi sengifanele uphavi impilo yakho